Hello and welcome back everyone. This is Chris on Learn British English Free on YouTube. I'm a bit busy at the moment, so not as many lessons as usual, I'm sorry, but this is one for advanced students about vocabulary, and you can read along using the subtitles or captions on the video below. Please click them if you want. One interesting thing about English, in my opinion, is many people speak it, and we have new words coming into the language all the time that the official dictionaries recognise and add. The Oxford English dictionaries add more words throughout the year, and I want to tell you about some of them in their October 2018 update. I'm going to read the article. This way we can learn some new colloquial words together. Here we go. Please read with me. Fam and nothing burger added to Oxford English Dictionary. Fam and nothing burger are among almost 350 new words added to the latest Oxford English Dictionary. First appearing as an abbreviation for family in the 16th century, fam is now commonly used as slang for close friends as well as relatives or members of a group. Nothing burger is a way of describing someone or something seen to have little importance. Alt-right, Tarantino-esque and idiocracy are other notable new entries. Fam started being used commonly as slang in about 1990. Often in American hip-hop, according to the OED. It soon went beyond meaning just relatives and was taken to mean close friends or members of a particular group. It can refer to an individual or multiple people. The OED says the word is now most prominently used in the UK, especially in London, and on social media. Fam features in grime lyrics by London artists like Skepta, Stormzy and Lethal Bizzle. Nothing burger, a person or thing of no importance, value or substance, applies especially when it's contrary to expectations. It was first used by a Hollywood gossip columnist in 1953. Idiocracy means a society consisting of or governed by people characterized as idiots, or a government formed of people considered stupid, ignorant, or idiotic. Another addition, alt-right, short for alternative right, came to prominence in recent years, especially in the US. The OED classifies it as an ideological grouping associated with extreme conservative or reactionary viewpoints, characterized by a rejection of mainstream politics. That's it. The article is finished. Those new words again. Fam. Fam. Nothing burger. Nothing burger. Alt-right. Alt-right. Idiocracy. Idiocracy. This was taken from the OED blog. Please look in the description for the link to that full article. Thank you for watching. My name is Chris. I'm a teacher online. Please join me on YouTube. The channel is Learn British English Free. More lessons coming soon. I'm also active most days on Facebook, the Learn English Free public group, and the British English page. On Instagram too, Learn British English. And you can contact me for private lessons on Skype. Please see below. Thanks again for your time. It's been a pleasure as always. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.